Hi guys, ang menu natin ngayon ay 3 kinds of color of bell pepper. Yan ay na-fried ko na. At yan ay nailagay na natin yung kanyang minced piece to guys. Minced piece ito. Yan ay garlic. Tapos ito ay parsley. Tapos ito yung kanyang sauce na chicken broth and oyster sauce and may little sugar and cornstarch and little soy sauce. Yan guys, so let's start cooking. So guys, ito na-igisa ko na yung kanyang ingredients. So, lagay na natin yung sauce. Done na ito guys. Ganyan lang. Ito very simple. Simple dish.